say me see fie. They say that and tokwa there be and to when if you ha. Nadia ba say na. Did and tokwa we can we tuna we e ba say kwaku.
Mami. What's mama say me go light me. Me call ya me twam na ya no fu am si we. Ya no fu. Ya no fu si we.
No, you don't point your hands to us like that. What is it?
Why you pointing your finger? Why you pointing your hand at us like that?
Almost tiase no me twam. Omo ne me to papa. And I wait afa galon or the bum tim
Hey, what is this man even talking about that I'm not even understanding?
Go see watch it. Some magazine.
No, don't give us names. What is that? Don't give us names you don't even know. No, mommy, he can't be doing that. He's just calling us any name you want. No.
Oh, me 5 good months here. I want you like me. Me call some kucham. Me call home some no like anymore. Ya no fool.
Hey,
ya no from siwe.
This man don't try us. Don't try us. Don't try us.
As a magazine.
Don't bring your hands on us like that. Don't try us. Okay.
Don't point hands at us like that. What is it? Are we buying something from you not paid?
Are
you the landlord in this house? Mommy, I'll be giving the money to my sister every month to pay. We've paid.
Mommy,
could you allow us to talk? You've been talking.
Mommy, please. We are very decent.
Mommy, said you fear I'm best now.
Will you stop it? Will you stop it? What's that kid here? Don't be talking to us like that.
Mommy, San Romanuma when you are the best of the program.
Mommy, please,
let me talk.
Listen. Please, let's sit down and see how best we can solve this issue. It's all right. It's all right.
Who is by? Don't try us. Mommy, please. For the sake of God and for the sake of peace.
It's all right.
Listen. For you to understand that we are very decent ladies in this house.
Listen. Hello.
Mr. Frimpong.
Wait. Yeah.
Mr. Person. Ladies. Mr. Frimpong is here about 6 years ago this house.
Yeah.
You people came here about 1 year.
Yes. Exactly.
So last day, you pay your last day for Kubuati or you pay.
Madam, please, that's the reason why I want to explain things to you. Mr.
Did I ask you something?
Let him go. Shame. Let him go.
What's really going on?
Mr. Frimpong.
No.
Mr. Frimpong.
Mommy.
Mr. Frimpong.
Why? I'm talking about
This is me see. Bians wanda de just I did I won't tell the bia aye din and the last bill ya some moke bosu me bia obi atua last bill ba obi atua ne sika ne dia ko tua afi de ba ne sana 5 months ne bi ntua ha
5 months. 5 months. Mr. Frimpong, what is happening? Mr. Frimpong, why are you not telling mommy?
Yeah, solve. Dear,
you better solve it all. You better solve it.
We wipe penny there. 7 penny be man. Dear baby, say kwaku edu baby on my pressure kakra. And Tiana won na kasa.
You don't understand what you're saying. You speak English. Please, what is he saying? You don't understand what you're saying.
Don't worry. That is why I'm speaking local language to mommy so that she will understand.
So why don't you want us to understand what you are saying?
So I said we will sit down and resolve it. We will sit down. Yes, we will resolve it. We will resolve it.
Okay. No, this is embarrassment.
Mr. Frimpong, no let it fear. Let's not fear check.
Why are you letting this guy talk to us as if we have some irresponsibility?
Lady, what's your name? I refuse your name.
Please, I'm blessing.
Blessing. Queen, have patience, okay?
Have patience. But we can't let this man insult us every time. Mr. Frimpong knows that we have.
Listen. Oh, so I'm saying, meeting, you had the best here. Una if you're right. Sɛ we can also wait to net here. It would be na the BI the ato na say we aso.
True.
I say
me gina me nan so pa na kyese asumdwe de asumdwe no na abafi mu ha kura eche nkane no. Tabi yakoso ide mentiase se baba mesa se wo daka ni amu na to de wontua. So
payment like you don't pay.
Yeah, that one. It's all right. Pay
your light bill. If you pay your light bill, no fight more. You hear? Why buy candy and you sort your room?
We understand certain things she says. We understand. We've been here for a year, so at least.
So you can
one or two things.
And I know the cheap pound. I
mean, you paying your light bill.
We have paid our light bills. Our light bills. The reason I'm saying I want to explain
it's all right.
It's because Mr.
Listen.
Mr.
No. It's not. Mommy said we should stop. So that's all.
Full stop. Things that we are owing.
It's okay. Full stop. We will solve it.
We are tired.
From here, we are going to sit down and solve it.
Obi or did light or has already light bill. Capital will be one.
Any be so you feel so, Yan Qualabi, a traputo, Pemassima for us, so, na Yesu Christo to a boni viasi, and if I in my Nanka Bassame or before, and made any work for searching for the money. So you fraud, so you block their money. Post line, no cadaman, money. Because open a despite self to find money. Anyone who